I'm meteorologist Damien Lodes, and this is your weekly forecast for October 13th. 61 degrees right now in Oklahoma City. To take a live look at downtown, camera's shaking there just a little bit. We got winds gusting out of north about 16 miles an hour. Now, to take a look at wind gusts across the rest of the state, the highest wind gust is going to be out in far western Oklahoma. 38 miles an hour right now for Clinton, 36 in Lawton, and 35 in Hobart. Now, these wind gusts have died down considerably from earlier when they saw wind gusts in western Oklahoma in the 50s and 60s. Now, here for the metro area, the highest wind gusts are going to be in parts of the southern metro area. 23 miles an hour right now for Norman and 17 miles an hour for both Tuttle and Minco. And as we look at the temperatures across the metro area, 59 right now in Midwest City, 57 down in Norman, and 59 for both Okarche and Kingfisher. And looking at temperatures right now across the rest of the state, 59 right now for Stillwater, 61 in Enid, and 65 down in Lawton. Now for the overnight lows, this is where it's going to start to feel a lot more like fall time. 46 for the overnight low in Enid, 44 for both Alva and Woodward. And look at this, parts of the Panhandle are going to get into the 30s tonight. Overnight low of 39 degrees in Guyman. Now here for the metro area, we will get down to an overnight low of 47 degrees, and it's going to be a nice quiet night. You're not going to have any thunderstorms to put yourself to sleep tonight. Now for tomorrow morning, it's going to be 52 degrees as you're making your way into work tomorrow, up to the mid-60s by noon, and then we'll top off at 70 degrees for an afternoon high. We're going to have sunny skies tomorrow, but we're also going to have some breezy conditions. Winds gusting out of north about 10 to 20 miles an hour, so if you're wearing a hat tomorrow, make sure you hold on to it so that way you don't lose it. And highs across the rest of the state, look at this, 70 degrees for Seminole, Ada, 72 in Ardmore, and 75 in Lawton. So average for this time of year is about 74, and that's pretty much what we're going to see. That sunshine's going to do wonders for the temperatures tomorrow. And looking at your headlines for the rest of the week, we're going to have sunny skies and beautiful weather pretty much for the rest of the week. But for the mornings, make sure you're grabbing those jackets as you're heading out the doors, because we're going to have some chilly starts to some of these days. Now, rain chances don't make a return to the forecast until early next week, so that's some good news right there as well. And as we take a look at your 5+5 forecast tomorrow, it's going to be a chilly start to the morning, only 55 degrees, so that might be one of those mornings where you have to crank on your heater as you're making your drive into work tomorrow. 75 for the afternoon high on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday, so it's looking like Thursday is going to be the warmest day of the week. And as you get into your weekend, high of 76 on Friday, 75 for both Saturday and Sunday. And look at this, the next chance of rain doesn't arrive until early next week on Monday, but until then we got sunny skies pretty much across the board, and you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.